This conference will now be recorded.
Right, let's start today's session. In the last lecture, we discussed about query set API. This is our last application. Let's try to open that query set API app. In this application, we discuss query set API related concepts. So how to get all objects, how to get a few objects by filtering, how to get objects by ordering with reverse and value list and everything. Now today I'm trying to discuss about uh, QuerySet API part 2. Part 2 means how to get remaining records, that is by using aggregate functions, okay, and also we can apply QuerySet API field lookups, okay. So intersection, union, difference, all we'll see this. For this we need some two models here. So first let's try to create two models, and also we need to create a new application for this because to avoid confusion, because we need one more model is required. Right now in this application one model is there, that is employee model, name, employee ID, employee address, age, date of birth. One more model is required here, but anyway I'll try to create both models separately. So create a new application now. Reset API app 1 I'm creating. Python space manage.py start app reset API app 1. This is my application. So reset API app 1 is created successfully. Immediately we need to include this into projects. So Django project 6:30 a.m. and in settings.py I am including this application, sir. Reset API app 1. So done. Next we have to go to reset API app 1. There we need to create models. Two models are required are here in the models.py file. So let's try to create models.py file and include one model, employee model. Next, one more model also I'm creating, that is manager model. Class manager models.model file. And after that, so here I'm taking, this is manager name equals to models.char field, models.char field. Max length equals to 10, not 20. Next, address, salary, date of birth. Address, models dot airfield, equals to 30. Salary DOB. Yes. Now we created two models here: name, address, salary, DOP, and the name, EID, address, age, and DOP. Now we need to make migrations and migration. So what is this no module name query set API app one? What is this? I think in settings.py I have not included properly. So this is the problem actually. Two models created. Next, manage.py, migrate I'm doing. So migration is okay. After that, you can register these models into admin panel and include the records. Okay. So let's go to admin.py file and I'm including these models into admin panels. I have to register the records. So first let's try to import two models from set API app dot models import what model employee model comma student model sorry manager model. Next here what I'm trying to do, so in admin.py file we have to include this. First I'm trying to create employee admin dot model admin. So next list display I'm taking. So what fields do you want to display there? You can display. So ID, name, EID, ID, name, EID, comma, address, age, DOB, age, DOB, date of birth. So I'm trying to take here at the rate of admin dot model admin. So employee. Similarly, I'm registering this one more model. So this is manager admin. And in this list display, ID, name, address. Let me check. ID, name, address, salary, DOB.
Your admin dot register, sir. This one, the decorator is.
Okay, okay. Admin dot register. Yes, yes. I'll try to do. I'll change it. Address, name, address, salary, DOB. Name, address, salary, DOB. It is correct. Register. Now let's try to go to admin panel first. To go to admin panel, you need to run the server. And after running the server, you need to click on this link. And let's try to go to admin panel. Slash admin. So you have to join into admin panel. Now coming to this query set API employees. So I need to add some employees and managers. Employee name Sai, employee ID is 101, employee address is HYD, employee age is 45, and date of birth I'm trying to take any suppose. Okay, yeah. Save and another. Employee name is Ganesh. Employee ID is 102. Employee address is HYD. And just date of birth. I'm taking same thing. So four employees I'm adding here. Okay, the address. Now here date of birth also I'm including. Okay, so just date of birth, and let's try to add one more employee, that is managers I have to add. So I'm trying to add manager. Manager name is Ram. Manager address is SR Nagar. Manager salary is 39,000. Date of birth also I'm adding any name like this, and add manager. I want to make somewhat matching here, so that's what I'm trying here. Employee name Sai, address HYD, date of birth April 18. I'll take employee name Sai, but second employee I'll manage. So 2 and Ganesh HYD April 19. Okay, this last manager I'm taking. Three managers, few employees are there here. These two records, so I need to collect by using this query set API some filtering options. So see, I'm working with now union, intersection, difference, union all. Generally in Python language we applied union, intersection, uh, union all. Okay. Next, what we have seen, like these are the set operations. We were apply in Python set operations using two sets. Okay, set A, set B. Union means we can collect unique values from both sets. Same here also, union means we can collect unique values from both models. Next, union all means all records from both models. Intersection means only common values from both models. Difference means the values which will come from first set and first model, which are already present in second model, it will not get. That is intersection. So this is the case exactly. Okay. Yes. So let's try to write the code in where query set API view section. So I'm taking view section here. In view section, just I'm trying to create a view, simple view request object, and inside that request object, so here I'm trying to do emp is my query set object. Sorry. First we'll try to do this query set one, because two models are required. First, the two models we can import on the top from uh, query set API app1 dot models. What is that? Employee model, comma, manager model. So two models are ready. QS1 equals to query set 1, it is my query set object, it is QS1 equals to employee dot objects dot values list. Employee is a model name, employee is a model name, objects dot values list I'm taking. Which values you want to get, you can proceed. ID, name I'm taking. So ID, comma, name. Okay, name. This I'm taking ID name. So two fields we are passing. That's what name equal to two attribute compulsory. This is QS1. QS2 is representing what model? Manager dot objects dot values list. Here also I'm taking ID, comma, name. Both are matching. ID name. Only few records I want to get. Name equal to true again here. These are two query sets, sir. Each query set is representing one model. QS1 is representing employee model. QS2 is representing manager model. So this is what V1 actually def V1 of request. QS1, QS2, employee dot objects dot values list, manager dot objects dot values list. So ID comma name named equal to true, and manager dot objects dot values list ID comma name named equal to true. That's all. So this these two models I need to work on this union all intersection differences. How to apply that union all. So let's try to use this. Okay, so I'm trying to do emp underscore data is my result emp data. Now what I'm trying to do here, qs2 union qs1 I'm taking qs2 dot union function union and qs1. So this union means unique, it will return unique values from both sets. So unique values will be returns are here qs2 qs1 emp underscore data. Okay, so this emp data we need to return into it details. So I'm trying to return render current request. So my table name is employee.html and I have to send that emp underscore data is a key colon emp data. Now, so emp underscore data colon emp data. This need to be displayed to it this one employee page. So let's go for display employee better. Display employee.html. This page I need to create into templates. So right click on templates, go to new HTML and display employee.html. So here we need to display what details? These details. Let's try to display employee details where I have to display query set app template is what actually I'll try to show you. So display2.html, I have to go to display2.html page. That code I need to copy here in display employee.html. In the head section, we need to place this one. Now we are applying this into view section. So QS1, QS2, then emp data is my query set object result value. QS2 dot union of QS1 means union means it will return unique values. Let's try to start the server and let's see this. But before that, we have to see the set the URLs. How to set the URLs for this current application means let's collect the urls.py from this application and paste into query set API app also app one also. I'm pasting this, and here what I'm trying to do, query set API app one and views v1 only. So we have to inject this URL into project level URLs. Ought include query set API app one dot URLs. Let's run the server. Now hit this link. Now you can see we don't get any unique values here. So the result is why, because just I'll try to show you. We don't get any unique records, sir. The reason is here we are supplying this one. Column names are different. Let me change unnecessary uh, tabs. Now this is our view section. So we are supplying ID and name. Name would equal to true. So employee manager. In employee manager, unique values need to be get. So need to be get this employee.qs2 employee.manager equals to, yes, return display empty data ID name. Okay, my display employee.html, my ID name, EAD, address, age, date of birth. Hmm, that is correct. Why it's not coming union?
Here in the template, employee underscore data is we have to mention.
No, that is my query set object.
No, sir.
Anyone I can.
Underscore data we have to mention, sir. See, sir,
Where?
one in the template for look for e in
Okay.
e
Yeah,
underscore.
yeah. This is correct. This is query set object. Yeah, you are right. You are right. I took query set object is one, and this loop query set context is one. Yeah, it's correct. I thought you are saying here. Here I can take anything. This will work, sir. Now you can see that the common records are coming only 1, 1, but for both tables 2, 3, 3, 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unique records are coming. ID and name only I'm getting. But do you want to get all records? Then union all means all equals to true we can use here. Once we use all records equals to true means we are getting all records true. This time we can see all are getting 5. Previously it was 6 unique records 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First table, second table, total 7 records are there according to this admin panel. 1, 2, 3 is there in this manager table and 4 records present in employee table. Both records, all records are coming here. The reason is we applied what actually all equals to true only, sir. This is exactly. Suppose I'm trying to apply intersection. Intersection means common records which are coming from the both table. So this one is okay, fine. Only let's copy here and paste into here, paste into here. This is, let's comment it. Now I'm using intersection of QS to QS1. Intersection means what? Common values which are present in both sets. So which is the common value which is present in both sets, we will be able to get, sir. That is called intersection I'm using. So QS2 dot intersection of QS1. Let's try to reload the server and let me check this. Now intersection Ganesh record is coming. Why? Because in two tape models, second record you can see Ganesh, HYD, April 19, date of birth. So here also this is manager table also. Same second record is going to be same, sir, here. Same. So which is common record. Second record HYD April 19, manager table also. So manager table is having second record same details and employee table is having second record same details. So intersection means what? Actually common records from both models are there. This is intersection. Except I'm taking. Except means that is difference only. Difference, how it is possible? Simple. Difference means we need to write emp underscore data equals to emp underscore data equals to emp underscore data equals to qs2 dot qs2 dot, okay, employee underscore data equals to qs2 dot difference of qs1, or else we can say qs1 dot difference of qs2, we can say that qs2 emp underscore data equals to qs1 dot difference of qs2 here. So this is the case. So let's see this. Difference means what? The records which will come from employee model, which is already present in a manager model, it will not come. Okay. Yes, obviously. That is difference. Run server and check the details now. You can see. So we got from QS1 details. 1, 3, 4 IDs are coming. Why second ID is not coming? Because second ID record is already present in manager model. Obviously. So let's see this. So here second ID is already available in manager model, which is already second ID present in manager model. It will not come
Present in
because
the
in,
table.
tell me,
In the manager table, RAM also there.
RAM also there, but remaining details are not matching. See here, I'll show you. RAM is there. Now, where is RAM? ID number 1 is what? RAM is there. ID number 4 is RAM is there. But ID number 1 is Sai is there. But ID number 2 is matching, Ganesh is matching. You can match with ID and name, a clearly mentioned value list.
Okay, sir.
So QS1 is only values are coming, which is already present in QS2, that values are not coming because that is difference only. Difference means the values which will come from first query set and which is already present in second query set will not come. That is. Next, I'm trying to show you this and or operators also we can apply. And operator or operators like this. I'll show you and or operator. So to apply this and or operator, we can use only one model I'm using. That is employee model. So emp underscore data equals to emp underscore data equals to employee dot objects dot filter employee dot objects dot filter. How the way I want to filter means, so address equals to, suppose employee model is this one, e address equals to HYD and the age is 45. I want to do this. So let's see this, how we can filter this. These many records I want to come. E address equals to HYD, address equals to HYD. Then we have to use AND operator here. Filter address equals to HYD and employee dot objects dot filter age equals to 35. Again, and employee dot objects dot filter age equals to what? 35. Employee dot objects dot filter address equal to HYD and employee dot objects dot filter age equal to 35 like this. So address Hyderabad age equal to 35. So find this. Only that employee address age equal to 35. But look at this here. No data is coming. Why it is coming? Because employee address should be match HYD and employee dot objects dot filter age equal to 35. Is there any employee like address person is matching HYD age equal to 35? No. So that's what it's not coming. Age equal to 45 I'm giving. So obviously you'll be able to get this 45 records now. So let's see this age equal to 45. HYD and age is 45. Age is 45. Why is not coming? Because the reason is what, sir? In the here age is there, unfortunately previously. That's what it's not coming. You have to bring that age. Now age is coming now. Column name is differently I'm taking with copy paste options. So this is AND operator. R means what actually? R means both conditions must any one condition satisfied. R means let's try to use the same query with R operator. Copy this, filter it. So now I'm using R. R means any one condition. So address HYD persons will come and age 45 persons also will come. Both will come. Address R operator. Logical and R, all these things. Let's try to refresh this. Now this time you can see address persons HYD 45. But this is the person HYD, but he age is not 34. Age is not correct, but address is correct or not? Anyone? So these two records are coming like this, R operator. Sir, if you want to write like this, it is big query. So that means here two times we are repeating like employee dot objects dot filter address equal to HYD. Again, employee dot objects dot filter at age is 45. So instead of that, there is a mechanism that is Q object is there. So I'll try to import Q object from Django dot db dot models import Q object is there. Q object means query set object. If we use this Q object, then it will be easy, sir. Simplification of the code. So how it is simplification of the code compared to above lines, we can use like this emp underscore data equals to. So only one time I'm using employee dot objects dot filter. Okay, for example, here again address equals to SR Nagar. I'm taking SR Nagar and what I can say Q object through address filter of sorry Q we have to supply Q of address equals to SR Nagar. Okay, AND operator I'm using here, AND operator or R operator you can use. Again, Q object I'm passing, so age equals to 45 like this. This is very simple, sir. When we compare to this one above line, this is very simple. So here two times employee dot objects dot filter you have to write. Here also employee dot objects dot filter you have to write. But instead of that, employee dot objects dot filter Q object address equal to SR Nagar or Q object age equal to 45. This will also good, sir, not a problem. Same result will be produced. So this is shorthand way of writing query set object. So we got the details here. I said that SR Nagar persons I need and age equal to 45 R. So this age 45 person may not belongs to SR Nagar, but he is related to HYD, but age is satisfied. It's okay now. So this is query set object here clearly. And even some field lookups also we have to take. Field lookups means like suppose I want to get employee records exactly matched with the name Mohan. So exact we have to use. And with the case sensitive means suppose if you provide capital letter Mohan and there in the database small letter is there. So you want to get avoid that lowercase and uppercase, then we can use I exact. There are some query set API field lookups are there. Exact, I exact, contains, I contains, in, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, range, date, year, month, day, week, day, minute, quarter. These many all field lookups you have to apply. So these field lookups will take one new application and that application through we will be applies here. So first let's try to create a new application today and I'm trying to generate a model. After that, tomorrow we'll continue this field lookups, how to do the modification, all these things with database. So let's start creating a new application. Reset API app 2. This is my new application. And after that, we have to include that into settings.py. Reset app API app 2. So after closing this, then coming to this here, reset API app 2 models. So in this models, what I'm trying to take from django.db.import models, I'm trying to create a model here. So let's create a model here. Class student model, model start model. So model fields one by one I'm taking. Name equals to model start, air field 20. So SID student ID equals to model start, integer field like this, integer field. So I want to say SID is integer field, unique equals to true, unique records, and null equals to false. That means null records I don't want to accept. Name SID, address marks, models dot char field, max length equals to 20. Now marks equals to models dot integer field, pass date and admit date. Pass date equals to models dot date field, admit date equals to model start date type field empty. This is our model, sir. So we need to make migrations and model creation. Max length attribute is something error. So here we have to use max length equals to 220. Migration is done, table is created. So this table we have to include into admin panel. Let's try to go to previous admin panel and I'm trying to copy this. Go to your query set API to an admin. First we have to import the model. So fields, what fields are required in the sense? Name, SID, address marks, address marks, pass date, admit date. That's it. This need to be done. So tomorrow what I can do, I'll go to admin panel and after that I'll insert few records. Then we will apply query set API field lookups for this query set API app to only here. So that's all for now.